Welcome to episode 17 of our PCB series. Today, we are diving into the world of high-performance RF PCBs with the F4BM233 RF PCB, a two-layer board with a 3mm thickness and an immersion gold finish. This is a cutting-edge solution designed for precision, durability, and exceptional performance in microwave, radar, and satellite communication systems. Stay with me as we explore its construction, specifications, and real-world applications. This is a two-layer rigid PCB measuring 70 by 70 mm with a tolerance of plus per minus 0.15 mm, featuring a finish thickness of 3.1 mm, supported by a robust 3mm F4BM233 core. The board utilizes 1-ounce copper weight on both outer layers for excellent conductivity, with a minimum hole size of 1 mm and a via plating thickness of 20 micrometer for enhanced durability. It's finished with ENIG surface treatment for improved corrosion resistance and solderability, and comes without solder mask or silkscreen for a clean, optimized design suited for specialized applications. Each unit undergoes 100% electrical testing to ensure full reliability. The F4BM233 RF PCB adopts a simple yet robust two-layer design, structured as follows. Copper layer 1, 35 micrometers thick, enabling efficient signal transmission. Core layer, 3mm F4BM233 material, composed of fiberglass cloth, PTFE resin, and PTFE film. Copper layer 2, also 35 micrometers thick, providing excellent thermal stability, minimal signal loss, and superior dimensional accuracy. So, where does the F4BM233 RF PCB shine? Its advanced features and materials make it perfect for applications like microwave and RF systems, phase-sensitive antennas, power dividers, couplers, and combiners, satellite communications, and base station antennas. With a dielectric constant of 2.33 and a dissipation factor of just 0.0011, the F4BM233 delivers exceptional signal integrity and low loss, even in high-power RF environments. That's it for episode 17, where we introduced the F4B233 RF PCB. Stay tuned for our next-gen episode, where we explore a two-layer PCB with DiClad 527 material and an immersion gold finish. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments below. See you next time.